I have an autumn card for you today, and it's using a paper strip technique that I used a couple months ago. And I will put both of those links on my blog for you so you can see them both together. It's really fun to use different combinations of strips of paper, and I just put them there onto a thin piece of copy paper because I didn't want it to get too thick. And then you just put it through the embossing folder of your choice, and it really makes it look super cool. So I am just layering up the card base here, and we will add that embossed striped piece of paper, and I just love all those autumn colors. I'm still sad to say goodbye to summer, but I am accepting that fall is coming just in a few weeks. So we're going to put in the sentiment here. All of these stamps and the sentiments are from the Autumn Leaves stamp set, and those are the dies that go with it. And look at that beautiful gold, it's gold mercury vellum paper, and it is absolutely beautiful, super shimmery. So I'll have all of the details, the links, everything you need on my website. You can go to madetocreatewithlisa.com, and if you can't find it, just go to the search bar on the side there and type in Autumn Leaves, and you'll see what comes up for that. Look how pretty that stamp set is. So we're going to add that on the inside, and the card will be done. Thanks so much for being here. I hope you love this idea, and I will talk to you again soon.